journey with Sarah, a visionary artisan, as she embarks on an extraordinary project building an underground park with a magnetic aquarium designed specifically for her cherished turtles. The adventure begins with the careful assembly of magnetic balls, each click and connection resonating with the promise of an underground oasis. Sarah envisions a subterranean sanctuary that not only provides a safe haven for her turtles, but also immerses them in a world of wonder and tranquility. As the underground park takes shape, the soothing sounds of magnetic connections create an ASMR symphony, a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship and dedication involved in this extraordinary endeavor. Each magnetic ball becomes a building block in the creation of a magical space where nature and innovation intertwine. The centerpiece of Sarah's vision is a magnetic aquarium that surrounds the underground park. With careful precision, she constructs transparent walls, allowing an enchanting view into an aquatic paradise. The aquarium becomes a harmonious extension of the park, creating an immersive experience for both the turtles and anyone fortunate enough to witness this spectacle. The ASMR video captures the essence of the construction process, the gentle clicks and snaps of magnetic balls creating a therapeutic soundtrack. As Sarah adds the final touches, the underground park with its surrounding magnetic aquarium stands as a testament to the boundless possibilities of DIY creativity. The grand reveal of the completed project unveils a subterranean wonderland, a hidden retreat where turtles can roam freely and explore the underwater marvels of their new habitat. The comments section overflows with awe and admiration as viewers express their appreciation for the fusion of nature and magnetic magic. Sarah's ASMR journey not only showcases her artistic prowess, but also inspires a global community of DIY enthusiasts. The underground park with its magnetic aquarium becomes a symbol of innovation, passion, the endless wonders that can be achieved with a simple yet powerful allure of magnetic balls. And so, the underground park, with its surrounding magnetic aquarium, stands as a testament to the beauty that unfolds when creativity meets dedication in the captivating realm of DIY construction.